at my soup. Looking very, very good, right? My soup look good. All right. I'm ready to heat. I'm telling you, I'm ready to heat. Okay, guys, this is my finishing touch. Okay, guys, you saw me earlier picking my gungo. Now I'm shelling my gungo because I'm going to boil some gungo soup. Okay, all right. Hey guys, I have to laugh. Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you very, very much for joining with me. Today, I'm going to cook gungo. Look at my gungo. Gungo soup with a piece of snapper. Look at it. The big slice, right? All right, you saw me earlier picking my gungo outside. And you may wondering how gungo look like this. I have 3 different type of gungo. So I pick from 3 so they look like this. Is it wonderful? Yes, nice. So this is my gungo, and I have my plate over here with my dumpling. It's flour and cornmeal. And over here I have my thyme and scallion and pepper. Yes, and these are my dry ingredients. This is salt, and this is the Jamaica season here, Mr. Dash here, and garlic powder. Yes, and black pepper and pimento seed in this one. I have a little butter, and I have this over here. Yes, and all my little yam. Look at what I have. Bread, fruit, and a piece of yellow yam. Yes, and look at this. Soup can nice if you don't have a potato in it. I have another Irish potato and just a carrot. Okay, so stay tuned. My coconut, real coconut juice with butter gonna go in my soup. I have my pot on the fire, and this is easily to cook. So you have to be careful. So I'm going to put it on the fire for like 10-15 minutes, and then I add everything to it. Stay tuned. Okay, I wash my gungo already. 2 cups of gungo. I'm going to put it in this pot on the fire. Yes. Don't stay long to boil it very soft. It's a green one. I forgot to show you my garlic. So I'm putting some in the pot to cook with the peas. Yes. Okay. I love to cook. I'm not putting a lot of carrot. You know, carrot make your soup sweet. So oh, my breadfruit. Wow, it's very nice. Very nice. Look like you can. I'm just gonna use half of the breadfruit. See, yellow yam. Ooh, that's a good piece. Okay, this is a sweet potato. I don't need a lot of water in this because I'm going to throw the coconut juice in the pot, okay? It's all right. Okay, this is my coconut milk. Look, rich and pretty. All right. This is my coconut milk. All right. I'm gonna let it cook down, and then I put my dumpling and my breadfruit. Now some of these. Let it boil up. When it starts boil again, I put my dumpling. Okay, I'm throwing some more coconut milk. All right. cover it and make it simple. Okay, look at my pot. Okay, the fish start come apart. Alright, now I'm going to put in my dumpling. Because the pot start. Right, so I make some spinners. Okay, look at my pot. Okay, the fish start come apart. Alright, now I'm going to put in my dumpling. Because the pot start. Right, so I make some spinners. Okay, I'm ready to season up my pot. Okay, I have 2 pot soup here, chicken noodle. What I'm going to do, I don't like to put them in the pot like that. I don't know, I'm just going to put them in my little blender here and blend it out. That's how I like it. You don't have to blend it if you don't want. You can just stir in the pot like this. But I just like to just put it in the blender. Or whatever you have, yes. Look at my soup, man. Oh my God. Look at my soup. Nice, very nice. So first, I'm going to put a little piece of butter. It's going to be so nice. And my little salt. I don't want to put enough salt because I have a little pinch of salt every season here, not much. Yeah. And my pimento seed and black pepper. My scallion, thyme and garlic, and my green pepper. I want to put the pepper in first, so I am going to put my noodle. Alright, I throw the noodle in there. Stir it up, you see it? Oh my God, it smells good already and it's not done. Oh yeah. And everything cook. Add some water to here. Stir it up. This is some water. A little bit more. A little bit more and a little bit more. Okay, and I'm going to add my potato. Easily to cook. Easy, easy. Oh my God. Look at my soup. It's not done cook yet and my mouth running water. Alright, stay tuned. Looking very, very good, right? My soup look good. Alright. I'm ready to eat. I'm telling you, I'm ready to eat. I'm gonna share my plate. Ooh, look at that. Okay guys, this is my finishing touch. My pea soup with a slice of snapper fish. Look at my breadfruit, look at my dumpling. Look, everything look good. And I'm gonna give it a taste. Wow. It tastes nice. Well, I am going to enjoy this because this plate is mine. So, my friends, remember, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And especially, click that notification bell. That's whenever time I do all these nice stuff, you're the first one to taste and look. Bye-bye. See you later. Wow. This is very nice.